Why is it that we've gone on a hunger strike for 7 days? Why is it that we've been expressing our protest? It's because while the state was bifurcated on the floor of the parliament, the ruling party as well as the entire opposition, whole of the opposition and the ruling party, both of them have come together, both of them came together and they have voted for bifurcation with a promise on the floor of the House that they would give special category status. Now, if that very parliament, the word given in that very parliament by the ruling party as well as the opposition party, if that word is not adhered to, breached, then where is the parliament's credibility? This is our primary question what we're putting forth. See, if special category status was, that day special category status was given, because everybody felt, the ruling party as well as the opposition, all of them felt that the state has been deprived. The state has been deprived of Hyderabad, what constitutes 60% of the revenues, what constitutes 95% of software jobs, what constitutes 70% of manufacturing, what takes place in and around Hyderabad. Because this Hyderabad was being removed, because this Hyderabad was being given, was removed from Simandhra against the wishes of the people of Simandhra, and because the state would suffer severely because of this, special category status was promised. And now that is not being given. Now these people speak about a special package in return. I seriously don't understand. How is it fair? See, what these people speak about as special package, it is nothing but during the bifurcation, while the state was divided, they said the state is being deprived, so we would give various things to the states. They said they will build Polavaram. They said they will give money for the capital region. They said they will give institutions. They said they will give roads. They said they will upgrade the airports and international standards, so on and so forth. And they said they have promised so much. Those very promises now are being given, are renamed as special package. So why is it? So how is it fair to just rename that as special package and give the very same? And while doing so, you are also denying me the special category status. On one side you deny, on the other side you are lying and cheating. By renaming whatever you give, whatever you owe us, by renaming it a special package, you're cheating. So how is it fair?
Sir, despite your all efforts, any hope from central government side or government side?
No, we will continue to hope, and we will continue to fight for this. The person who is supposed to fight, that is Chandrababu Naidu, to our tragedy is not fighting. And why is he not fighting? See, central government should give, the state government should mount pressure on the central government, demanding the central government to give. In spite of that, why isn't Chandrababu Naidu giving an ultimatum to central government? 18 months have already passed. But in spite of that, why isn't Chandrababu Naidu saying to the central government that, see, I'm giving you 1 month's time. If you do not give me the special category status as you had promised, I'm going to withdraw my ministers from the union cabinet. Why isn't central government, why isn't Chandrababu Naidu mounting such pressure on the central government? Why isn't he demanding? The only reason why he's not doing it is only because he himself is caught red-handed, audio taped and videotaped, caught with unaccounted for money, what he's looted from Andhra Pradesh on various corruption charges, using that money to buy MLAs in Telangana state for his MLC election there. Since he is caught red-handed, audio taped and videotaped with that unaccounted for black money what involved crores of rupees, he wants to get out of that case, and because of that he's not in a position to demand central government anything. Tragically, this is our state.